Welcome to Dhandhe Ki Baat. This is Alok Kejriwal. Today I'm going to talk to you about N for networking. So what is networking? Networking बड़ा एक confused subject है. People say, oh, networking is about contacts, getting all to know these famous people. मैं ये बोलता हूँ कि यार वो concept गया तेल लेने. Now, if you don't understand what तेल लेने means, too bad. You got to understand Hindi to know what that beautiful phrase means. Okay, that's the fun part. What is really networking? Networking is, meeting people who can help you and, very big and, whom you can help. It's both ways, boss. Networking is just not one-sided, right? So, for example, what is this big thing of connecting to the high-profile people? I met Satya Nadella in a conference in Mumbai and we got to know each other. Is he part of my network? I hope so. But when I have a problem with my Microsoft software or some Microsoft office in Bombay calls me up and hounds me कि आपने software का कुछ गड़बड़ किया है, do I call up Nadella? Obviously not. So you have to understand networking operates at all levels. It is inclusive. It means from the smallest to the largest, and it's about connecting yourself to people and the environment around you, right? That's very important. So how does one network? Network कैसा किया जाए? The first point of networking is to ask. अरे पूछो यार, कोई गुनाह नहीं है पूछने में. So many times I've gone and seen that people just sit quietly, they don't talk, they don't share, they just don't want to ask things. People will feel embarrassed. एक मेरा बहुत ही फेमस रूल है कि अगर आप कॉन्फ्रेंस में गए, आपको मन नहीं होता है कि आप कॉन्फ्रेंस में आप सामने बैठे हो पोडियम पर और बात कर रहे हो. श्योर, मैं आपको तरीका समझाता हूँ. You should be the first guy to ask the question at the back of the room. Stand at the back of the room and ask the first question. Announce yourself, tell people who you are and ask a question. Trust me, that is an organic way to start networking. In the lunch break or coffee break, people will come to you and say, oh, you're the guy who asked that question, right? So ask. Secondly, tell. If you're in a plane or in a flight, I sit in an aisle seat. What does that mean? 2 लोग मेरे बाजू में हैं, 3 लोग मेरे दूसरे बाजू में. 5 potential networking people are in front of me. Talk to them. Tell them about what you do. Share. You never know. Something may happen. How many amazing business people and contacts I've built just using this tell about yourself principle. The third thing is very important. Do. Now, doing में लोग चूक जाते हैं कि यार मैंने सब पा लिया, मैंने सब कॉन्टैक्ट जेब में डाल दिया, मैं अमीर बनने वाला हूँ. If you do, the power of networking increases manifold. I'm an art of living student and for many years I did my Kriya, I loved it, benefited so much. And one day it struck me that what can I do to give back? So I became a teacher and I began teaching. Similarly for entrepreneurship, I started this platform called the Rodin Hoods. And why was that? Was it to network? Not at all. It was to give back. But the funniest thing is the art of living and the Rodin Hoods has created a network for me that I never imagined. So in the end, don't be selfish to network, right? Be selfless. Help people as much as you want them to help you, and you will really understand the power of what networking really is. Thank you for watching. And if you like, these videos, subscribe to the channel on Dhandhe Ki Baat. Tell us what you like, what you don't, what you want to hear. And and just keep liking and commenting. Thank you.